Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Jackie. This video is solely for sharing and educational purposes, without any improper guidance. Today, we have a white gold Little Le Mans Daytona. A new model with reference 126,519 noted as 124,310. This piece has a very nice weight to it in the audio. The entire watch case and bezel assembly was developed using raw 3D CNC scan data. Later, it also received a thick 18,000 gold wrapped finished thick 18,000 gold wrapping. In today's video, I'll focus on explaining these two main highlights. First, the case kit developed from raw 3D scan data. Fully matches the genuine counterpart in both weight and dimensions. Second, every single corner and edge of the entire watch has been meticulously finished and precision polished. This gives it an incredibly authentic and natural tactile quality, while significantly improving comfort on the wrist. After applying the thick 18,000 gold wrapping, the brilliance and color tone presented to us look extremely natural. As you can see, the luster is remarkably vibrant. Furthermore, the wearing feel on the wrist provides a lot of confidence, making it completely effortless to wear on any occasion. Take a moment to appreciate this brilliance and its highly reflective effect. You can easily see that it's incomparable to standard gold plating, right? Let's inspect the dial. The three chronograph subdials feature a very pronounced sunburst finish. Now let's test the functions. This watch runs on a domestic clone 4131 caliber, which provides a power reserve of 72 to 75 hours. Let's start, pause, and reset the chronograph. The central winding crown pops out automatically when unscrewed. See? Pull it straight out, it turns very smoothly. All functions perfectly correspond to the original. Following the thick 18,000 gold wrapping, every single detail is fully covered. We can observe this inside the winding crown, see? The gold wrapping is thorough without any missed spots. Every corner and edge is wrapped perfectly, presenting a highly natural precious metal finish. Let's inspect the dial details under a loupe. The subdials, the dial printing, the hands, the central pinion, and the indices are all beautifully finished. The micro laser-etched coronet at the 6 o'clock position on the crystal is also faintly visible. The clasp showcases a very convincing texture and brilliance. The case back is also natural and clean. Let's measure the dimensions, starting with the thickness. Spot on, perfect thickness. Next, the bezel. It perfectly matches the genuine proportions. Let's check the lume. The correct ice blue chromolite luminescence is exceptionally strong. Overall, the case kit developed from raw 3D data, combined with the thick 18,000 gold wrapping, delivers an exceptional wearing experience and immense satisfaction. Everything corresponds perfectly. Alright, that's it for this video. See you next time, bye!